Welcome back, 6:20. We continue to track this severe weather alert, this classic New England blizzard making its way across southern New England this morning. We have full team coverage for you, including spending Saturday morning with the chief. What a treat this is. Meteorologist Tony Petrarca has been tracking this data all week long now. Tony, what's the latest path and sort of the timeline of where the storm is right now?
Yeah, Pat, you know, nothing's really changed as far as the impact forecast and the accumulation. I know Danielle during the break was asking, you know, are we at blizzard conditions yet? You know, the criteria for blizzards, take a look. It's really based on wind gusts and visibility. So you need 3 consecutive hours of the following: sustained winds or gusts to 35 miles per hour and visibility of a quarter mile or less with falling snow and whiteout conditions. And at times we'll have these conditions. We do expect, even though it's snowing hard right now, it's very windy, hard to believe the worst is yet to come. I believe as though from about mid-morning through mid-afternoon is when the strongest wind and the heaviest snow will be kicking in. So this is just starting. We're looking at Easton's Beach and Newport with moderate snow, very windy conditions, and some poor visibility right now. Temperatures continue to drop. I mean, the 30s, the mid-30s out on the Cape. It's already down to 21 in Smithfield. So this very cold air will make the snow dry rather than wet or sticky. So heavy snow continues this morning and this afternoon. Strong wind gusts and blizzard conditions. There'll be a time later this morning and throughout the early afternoon for snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour with thunder and lightning. We call it thunder snow. It's pretty rare, but it happens with intensifying winter storms, and we certainly have that ongoing right now. Difficult to at times poor travel, and an unusually cold snowstorm. Wind chills are going to be running below 0 coming up for this morning and this afternoon. You know, on the winter storm index, as far as how we would categorize this storm from marginal to moderate to major, this is major to borderline extreme, considering the winds that we're forecasting, the snowfall amounts that we're forecasting, 15 to 24 inches of snow statewide, and when all is said and done by early this evening, easily over a foot of snow, and in some cases a few spots close to 2 feet with near blizzard conditions. As far as power outages, because the snow is so dry, doesn't have a lot of water content to it, it may have a hard time clinging to trees and power lines, but just because we're forecasting some wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, we may still have a moderate risk of at least some scattered outages. So good idea to charge your devices just in case, as some of these winds very strong are the north and northeast. This is the satellite and radar composite, and it doesn't look like much, but you see these darker strips of blue right in here. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. These are called mesoscale bands. So in other words, within these narrow bands, you can get snowfall rates of 1, 2, 3 inches per hour. So on either side of this band, it's snowing lightly. Then right underneath this, it's coming down very hard. Sometimes you get some thunder. And this is where we can pick up quite a bit of snow over a short period of time. And a lot of these bands are going to be coming through as the storm intensifies offshore. Here's the wider view. Another tip-off that the storm is getting stronger. You have a lightning tracker turned on, and you can see some lightning strikes near the center of the storm. So when we take this into the future, 6 o'clock this morning, there's the storm moving north and east. The wraparound blue represents very heavy snow and strong wind. Here we are at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The storm south and east of Cape Cod, very heavy snow and wind continues. And then by late afternoon and early evening, we're still snowing, but the intensity starts to ease up a little bit. And then by later this evening towards midnight, the snow is shutting down, but the wind is still gusty. And because the snow is so dry, a lot of it will blow and drift. Statewide, generally an 18 to 24-inch snowfall. And these amounts really won't be realized until late this afternoon and early this evening. Feel very confident of getting at least 12 to 18, but there may be some locally higher amounts, but it's a pretty good bet, unfortunately, that we'll pick up anywhere from 12 to 18. And this is all combined with very strong wind, especially along the coastline, gusts to 60 to 70 miles per hour. Inland, gusts between 45 and 60. So those wind gusts alone may create some scattered power outages. And if you notice, the snow isn't coming down vertically, it is just blowing horizontally. Coastal flood warning is for east coastal Massachusetts only. It does not include our coastline, but we do have obviously some rough waters, maybe some minor splash over, but it's more of a concern from Boston and down through Cape Cod. We take a look at the forecast both this morning and this afternoon. With each passing hour, the wind only getting stronger and the snow getting heavier, and that continues right on through the afternoon hours, along with falling temperatures, and then things winding down later tonight. 7-day forecast shows better weather on Sunday, sunshine, cold and dry, better weather for cleanup, with a high temperature at around 26. But the height of the storm right about now, and it'll continue right on through the early afternoon and into early this evening. WPRI.com, we are constantly updating that with new information, 7-day forecast, Doppler radar, and our Weather Now blog with video updates on the storm.